Hi, I'm Mark from Trail Buddy. Today I'm going to go over steering bearing kit. So we've got two available. We've got our Moose Racing and we've got our Trail Buddy brand steering bearing kit. So what you do is when you get the kit, you'll get two sets of bearings, which they come with races, and they're two different diameters. So the bigger diameter, and you can tell that by reading on the bearing themselves. So this one I have in my left hand here says 22.5, and the other one says 24. So now this one would be the lower, this one would be the upper. So one thing that we get questions about a lot, and I think when you're first learning how this stuff works, mistakes that is often made is, in the frames here, this one's just fresh from the sandblaster, it's got these races for the ball bearings still in there. So when you get this kit, one thing that happens a lot is these got to get knocked out out of this. So what we do is we usually get a longer coil rod, and just tap them out around, push the one out this way, then flip it over and do it this way. So there'll be two of these guys here. So you need to make sure these get removed. And then also what I've got here is another one that will be mounted here towards the bottom of the steering stem. And there'll be another one that would go on top when you're putting it together, but this one isn't pressed in on anything. So this one, as well as, you need to, we usually get a flathead screwdriver or a light chisel and just punch this one off. So these you need to make sure you remove. And then these, we set these in the refrigerator, or excuse me, the freezer overnight, to where I need to work on them. And this is the last thing we take out before we put in, is when we have to put these on here. And then also the larger diameter roller bearing here. So we'll pack it full of grease the day before, and then we'll get this ready, and we'll get this tapped on the lower, the bigger diameter, and then we'll take the top one, roll a bunch of grease in it too with your hand, or if you've got a bearing grease press, you can use that as well. And these, when you go to install these, we got to make sure that these get tapped in, and there's a shoulder inside that frame. And you want to make sure that pretend this is the shoulder here where my finger is, you want to make sure that gets seated tight against that shoulder. So that way you know that they're seated to the correct depth. That's another easy one to kind of overlook, because what will happen is, as you ride over time, the bearings will slowly seat better, and now you'll feel like your handlebar set is loose. But these are some of the details. You know, it's fun to learn this new stuff and get with things that you don't know. So don't get discouraged if things aren't coming together the way for the first time. But again, we've got our Moose Racing brand, and we've got our Trail Buddy kit. The Trail Buddy kit is TB224. You can find this part and other parts on mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks.